Every Zone 8 Plus gardener should have these easy care, sun-loving plants for your gardens. The few that I have to show you have thrived in my garden and came back relentlessly year after year here in Central Texas area. The first one, I don't even do anything to, and it just grows. The Pride of Barbados, I planted last year, small like this and already twice its size this year. Just starting to come into bloom here. Spring through fall color in your gardens gives you these gorgeous orange red blooms. After they bloom on each stem, they're going to provide you with some seed pods, and you can dry them out and preserve them for future seedlings. The next one up grows like a weed, the Bougainvillea. I've had this for 2 years and thriving in a pot. I cut them back every season. They love full sun, as all the plants I'm showing you today. Could be a little sensitive towards the cold during the winter time. Overwinter mine inside. I haven't experimented with it outside in a pot, but I didn't want to risk anything. I know a few that have thrived planted in the ground in Central Texas or South Texas. Cut them back at the end of every season and then put a pot over them, frost blanket, protects them from any hard freezes. And I've seen those bougainvilleas come right back up. Once established, drought tolerant, provides you so many blooms. This is called the purple princess. You'll see the actual flower. The flowers are the little tiny white flowers inside those leaflets here. Next up, a great addition to any garden that you want a green wall. This backdrop here, the CrossVine, it's going to be the better option versus the trumpet vine. Trumpet vine is very invasive, but the CrossVine is less invasive. Planted that last year, just little 1 gallons like this. This year, just amazing. During that first year, you're going to want to do more frequent water to get them established. It was in full bloom in spring. That's when it really goes into its heavy blooming period, but it'll periodically bloom throughout the year. And it has provided me privacy from my patio when I'm out there drinking my coffee in the morning and doing my woosah for the day. I'm telling you, these plants take off. Next up, my favorite option for any drought-tolerant garden. For you folks that love a good grass, the Mexican feather grass, once established, year after year, just beautiful cascading effect. When the wind blows, it just kind of dances in the air, dances in the wind, and softens up any cacti garden. But here's the thing with grasses that a lot of gardeners should know, but maybe not. They actually help prevent erosion. So I would say plant them in areas that are prone to erosion, and the grasses are going to help retain that. Next up, it's going to be one that you're going to want. The Blue Point spruce tree is going to do really well, also being drought tolerant and give you beautiful blue foliage throughout the year. Use these as anchors in the garden, use them on the corner or an entrance. It's really gonna give you that softness again, as well as beautiful foliage color. Now, if you want these plants looking their best every season, I highly suggest after the last freeze, if you do have freeze in your area, give them a good cut back. The Pride of Barbados, probably down to about like 6 to 10 inches from the ground. This will help the plant stay nice and compact and neat as it starts to catch its feet going into the spring and summer. These provide beautiful color, beautiful blooms, and take care of your pollinators out there. Your pollinators need the blooms. Bees, hummingbirds, those guys are going to be drawn to all of the color provided in the plants throughout the season. If there are other heat-loving plants that have been working for y'all in your cacti gardens, drop down in the comments and let us know. I'd like to see your responses. That's what I got for you today, y'all. Until next time, guys, take care.